Hello friend, today I am going to share with you all a very quick and easy face mask. This face mask is very useful for you if you are having any signs of premature aging, or if you find your face is having breakouts or your skin is dull or dry, as well as if you are having any skin burn or blemishes. So this face mask will help you to reduce your wrinkles, gives you a glowing skin, as well as it will help you to reduce your sign of premature aging, because the ingredient I am going to use into this face mask will help you to boost your collagen production, as well as will help you to give you more clearer and brighter skin. And if you're looking for a good shine and softness and glow into your skin, this facial face mask will also help you to give you glowing skin. So without any further delay, let's start preparing this face mask. These are the powerful ingredients which we will be going to use to prepare this mask. I'm going to use avocado, Greek yogurt and raw honey. You can also use manuka honey. If you are allergic to organic honey or manuka honey, please don't use it. Instead, you can also use olive oil or coconut oil to prepare this mask. So let's prepare this mask. I have taken here raw organic honey. It's 1 tablespoon of raw organic honey. Now I am going to add 1 tablespoon of Greek yogurt into this raw organic honey. We need the same quantity of our avocado as well. So it's 1 tablespoon of mashed avocado. Now we will give it a good mix. So now I am going to mix this mixture. Mix it well, mix it well, mix it well. So friends, this face mask is ready. I am going to apply it on my face for approximately 15 to 20 minutes. I have taken here my old makeup brush, so I'm going to apply this face mask with the help of this brush. So I have taken my old makeup brush and now it's clean. I have washed it before and now I'm going to apply this face mask. So let's apply it. Now I'm going to apply this. So friends, you can see that I have applied this face mask all over my face. I just left the eye area, and I just need to keep this one till 15 to 20 minutes. Meanwhile, you can have your snacks or your tea or coffee. Cut your vegetables. If you're going to prepare some, if you're going to do some cooking, you can either cut your vegetables or utilize your time watching your movie or your songs. You can enjoy your tea or coffee. It's up to you what you want to do. I'll get back to you soon once it is dry up. So guys, now time to clean my face. I'm going to wash my face with the warm water. So guys, you can see how bright and clear my skin is, and actually it is very soft and looks very glowy to me. But yes, the results are not a one-day magic. Use this mask regularly, twice a week, thrice a week, or maybe you can use this mask on daily basis, and you will definitely see the result. I'm drying up my face. I don't know what you can see or no, but I can see a difference in my skin because it's more clearer and brighter, plus it is very soft and shiny. Looks like a dirt layer has just gone out, and I'm happy because it's a weekend time and I'm just going to go to do some party in the evening, and my skin is ready to put the some light makeup and go for a party and dressed up well. So I hope you like this face mask. And guys, if you like this face mask, please don't forget to like, share, comment and subscribe to my YouTube channel Healthy Chit Chat with Ratan for more health tips, beauty tips, weight loss tips. Till then, stay safe, stay healthy. Thank you for watching. Bye.